Hi, Miss Aiza Bulasco. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Aiza Bulasco. I am 37 years old. I live in Sablayan Occidental, Mindoro. I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy.
How many siblings do you have?
We have 9 siblings. I am 7th child in siblings.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate. I did not finish college because I need to help my parents in supporting my family.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No. But I have a local experience as house helper my auntie's house from 2016 to 2018. My job description is cooking and cleaning in the house and laundry.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hard-working person, goal-oriented, and willing to learn and new things and willing to work a long hour.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to support my children studies and save money.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
just give him her a toys and let her play. If she's hungry, feed them or give the milk.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Daddy shark, 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 shark. Mommy shark, shark, shark. Baby shark, shark.
What is your message to your future employer?
If I give a chance to work abroad,